Hello friends, welcome to your channel. This video is about 7 basic and important qualities a screenwriter for movies and TV shows should know. Those who want to become a successful screenplay writer should watch this video from the beginning till the end without skipping. Meanwhile, I request you to please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more useful tips on education, job, career with analysis, tips, alerts, expert advice and good suggestions. Let us go to the video. Rule number 1 is as a storyteller. A great storyteller should have a unique way of captivating their audiences and holding their attention. Great stories excite, entertain and engage audiences who want to know what is going to happen next. Anyone can be a great storyteller. It simply takes practice and developing the characteristics that make storytelling rewarding. Whether you are using the hero's journey, setting up a story-based joke, or teaching a complex topic, great storytellers have characteristics that set them apart from people simply conveying information. Some key characteristics of a great storyteller are they should have great enthusiasm for their story, should use psychology to engage and excite their audience, should use suspense to keep their audiences engaged, should break down and explain complex topics using relatable examples, should be able to build relationships through their storytelling. Rule number 2 as an imaginator. To imagine worlds with made up people, events and places. We try to make our stories seem real and sometimes we may draw on real life people or events for inspiration. Sensory writing is an excellent way to create imagery for the reader. Also, a screenplay writer should keep in mind content of screenwriting should not contain objectionable, harmful, sensitive or inconvenient to the audience, particularly to any caste or community or religion. Rule number 3 is that a screenplay writer should be an avid reader. He or she should read as much as he or she can whenever they can, like historical fiction, crime and mystery, biography and autobiography, popular fiction, literary fiction. Consistent and regular habits of reading will increase their knowledge for screenplay writing. Rule number 4 is a screenplay writer should also be a creative writer. Creative writing refers to something which is common in everyday life but represented in such a way that readers' audience of screenplay scripts accept it in a different angle. And creative writing is all about putting a point across in the best possible way and engaging the reader with creative use of words. Most important in creative writing is it should be unique and should be well organized. Creative writers should be able to introduce new ideas into a story without changing the course of the story. Rule number 5 as a world builder. World building is especially important for films and TV series that take place in worlds that are different. Every film or series has a world that needs to be built. World building takes much time and the screenplay writer has to put some real thought and creativity into designing a world and the screenplay writer will benefit from it. What is the history of the world? Clothes, food, anything a screenplay writer can think of. Rule number 6 is a screenplay writer should be a good synopsis writer. To summarize a story from beginning till the end or pre-write. Screenplay writer has to pre-write the story to save time and feel less frustrated so that screenplay writer will have better chance of not quitting and actually finishing the script. Screenplay writer has to identify and design main characters, build the main conflict and structure of the main story points. Role number 7 is as a dialogue writer. Dialogue writing is a part of screenplay writing. Good dialogue is a dialogue that sounds authentic for the world and also the character which a screenplay writer should keep in mind. A good dialogue writer should choose a uniqueness to each character. A screenplay writer himself should talk to the character and imagine the dialogue style of the character, and he should change a previously written descriptive text into a dialogue or add a conflict into the scene with dialogue. A screenplay writer, while writing dialogues, should not let two participants in the dialogue directly show their purpose and add some suspicions, cover-ups, or intrigue. He can also increase communication barriers by designing third-party interruptions or refusals to answer questions for compulsive or emotional reasons. It is better to compress the dialogue and use fewer long sentences and clauses to refine the conversation. Screenplay writer should also let the dialogue develop in accordance with the actions, silences, and changes in the environment. Hope you would have understood the basic qualities or the roles to play by the screenplay writer. All the best.